Hi, welcome to the Apple Catcher Scratch tutorial. Okay, we're gonna first delete this cat and we're gonna choose a sprite. We're gonna choose, we're gonna search bow, uh, and we're gonna, when green flag click, we're gonna take a forever loop and we're gonna go to motion and go to mouse pointer. And now the bow will follow the mouse pointer wherever it go, and we're gonna go to 0, 0. Then we're gonna get new sprite apple. We're gonna take off this bow first. We're gonna go back. We're gonna get this apple to the place in the left up corner, and we're gonna bring this out. We're gonna pick random, and we're gonna the X. We're gonna to negative 199, and the right up corner we're gonna is 201. So we're gonna take this to 201. Okay, this one is gonna be okay 146. So this, then we're gonna get a white green flag click. We're gonna hide it, and we're gonna take a forever loop. I'm gonna wait 0.5 seconds and get create a clone before the wait 0.5 seconds. I'm gonna get when I start as a clone, we're gonna put it on the go to X, pick random and Y. So you will see you go into before guards the show before the go to XY. So you will see it's spawning some apples down. And we're gonna take a forever loop. We're gonna take change y by -10. Then it will go down, but you can't catch it. So we're gonna take an if. I'm gonna say touching bow. We're gonna delete this clone. And we're gonna make a variable score for all sprites. Then we're gonna set score to 0. Then we're gonna change the score after touching both. That's if change score by 1. Then so you see we're touching the bow and it's working. Then we're gonna let me think. Uh, yeah. We're gonna pick one more green flag click. Then we're gonna make a forever loop, and we're gonna paint one sprite. We're gonna make a new one with no edges, no the lines across the green thing. And we're gonna say you win. We're gonna change it to black. I'm gonna make it bigger. Now this time we're gonna change the marker to pixel. So it's, and here when green flag click, we're gonna hide it. And we're gonna take it, go to 00. Then we're gonna take it when I receive message, make a new message. We're gonna say, you win. Then we go back to Apple and for loop and if score equals score equals 80. Oh, 80. We're gonna broadcast the message you win. So we're gonna try it, but first we're gonna change it to 79. Set score to 79 first, so you can see it's not working. But why? Okay. I think we're just gonna take an if. Let's try not no forever. Still no. Then let's try star equals 80 broadcast you with oh when I receive viewing we're gonna take a show and stop all. And we're gonna change this to new win. Then we're gonna duplicate this right and we're gonna change this to you lose. And we're gonna do it later. So first, we're gonna do variable time for all sprites. And first, we're gonna set time to 80. Oh, we're gonna set back the score to 0. Then we're gonna mm, duplicate this. Oh, no. Actually, no. And we're gonna change this. We're gonna make one more green flag click and we're gonna take a forever loop and we're gonna change the time by -1, -1. Then gonna take no. So and gonna take a wait 1 or -1. No, 0.5. So it's counting down and we're gonna if time equals 0. We're gonna go back to the ULIS and we're gonna make a new message and you lose. And we're gonna change this to the color of the you change to red. Red. Then we're gonna change this U to you lose. Oh, boop. Oops. You lose. Okay. So we can go back to the Apple sprite and we're gonna broadcast the you lose and we're gonna take 2 more green flag. No, actually 1. Then we're gonna take a forever loop, and if we're gonna set an equal sign here. Oh, and one more thing. Gonna set this thing to 1 first, and we see. Gonna, yeah, you lose. Change back to 80. No. Then we're gonna go back to this green flag click. We're gonna go to variable and take the score. The score is equal to 20. We're gonna take this create. We're gonna right click so there's a duplicate thing on there. So we're gonna take duplicate. Oh, not the whole forever loop. Only the create a clone, and we're gonna delete this weight. And you'll see, let's set this score to 19 first. I'm gonna try it. So 20, there's a lot of apples. So, right. Mm. And one more. I'm gonna right click again and duplicate the whole thing, and this set score to 40. Mm. Then we're gonna yeah, make a new sprite. Gonna write line. I'm gonna put it at the bottom here. Then go back to Apple. And I'm gonna duplicate the if in the when I start as a clone. Oops. And if you left click in nothing, or right click in nothing, you can choose this cleanup block here and click it so all the blocks will be mm, just like lining up. But if you don't want to click it, you can don't do it. Then we're gonna yeah, here touching, if you're touching line, we're gonna change score by -1. So yeah, so touching line, we're changing the score, so that's right. Oh, and we're gonna change back to 0. Then we're gonna so oh yeah, we're gonna make it fancier. So we're gonna duplicate this apple and change this thing to score the name. Gonna delete all the things, and again, right click and click this delete 47 block. Then we're gonna right click in the score, gonna change it to large, and we're gonna show the score pre pressing that the mouse pointer I'm pointing, and we're gonna press it and it's showing. So we're gonna put there and put a negative, the score right next to it. I'm gonna change this to 50, the size. So nice. Then we're gonna do one more thing fancier. I'm gonna go to costume. We're gonna duplicate this whole thing. We're gonna get a. Oh, actually, no. Just. Uh, this thing. Oh, yeah, we're gonna duplicate the whole thing. Copy. Oh, ungroup. I'm gonna select this white thing here. I'm gonna delete it. Oh, yeah, actually, don't delete it in here. We're still gonna copy it. go to the UN and we're gonna make bigger and we're gonna paste it. So, I'm gonna put it in the here and now we're gonna ungroup it. Then we're gonna make this white thing off. I'm gonna select this pen tool. I'm gonna draw a face, a happy face here. Gonna take this and we're gonna press in shift so the whole thing and then press the eyes so the whole thing is copy the whole thing and no need to copy this UN. Then we're gonna copy and paste. Wait. Oh, fill it with nothing. Yeah. Uh, uh, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Now I'm gonna copy this. Shift, take all the thing out. I'm gonna copy paste. And copy paste. And copy paste. I'm gonna only copy but not paste. We're gonna paste it in Ulus over there. I'm gonna make it and smile face. So this one we're gonna delete it. And we're gonna make this unhappy. So this. And we're gonna shift it again. Shift, 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 shift. Oh, yeah. Then we're gonna copy it and paste it. Copy, paste. No, not group. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. And done. And we're gonna make a backdrop. We're gonna choose the backdrop to blue sky. So you will. We're gonna make it big. So this is. So you will see we're playing the game that into 20. You will see there's a lot of things. Okay. So this is our end of our Apple Catcher episode. No episode. Apple Catcher Scratch tutorial. Bye.